Blockchain is one of the most promising emerging technologies. It is a peer-to-peer software technology that protects a digital piece of information. And it has the potential to transform businesses. Blockchain was invented to create the cryptocurrency known as Bitcoin, and it can also be used for other cryptocurrencies. To put it simply, blockchain is a database or digital ledger of transactions, and it is different from a traditional database. In a traditional database, data is stored in a centralized server. Only the centralized authority has power to change or delete the data. In blockchain, the data is shared across a network of computers. They run on a special software that ensures all data remains identical. The data is secured using cryptography and can only be changed by people authorized to do so. Now, let's understand what a block is. A block is a piece of information that is made up of data. Each block in the chain is given an exact timestamp when it is added to the chain. The timestamp is used to create what is called the hash of the block. A hash is the unique identity of the block. It is like fingerprints of a human being. Every block also contains the hash of the previous block. Each time a new block is added to the chain, the timestamp is added to all the transactions. This is what creates a chain of interconnected blocks. So, the chain of interconnected blocks of data is known as blockchain. Everyone uses paper money. If you receive a $100 note, you could trust that it's genuine. But if someone sent you an email instead, saying here's $100, you might not trust it. But when we transfer money, use the ATM or pay with your bank card, that's exactly what we do. We are sending money in a digital message. To minimize fraud and ensuring no one is sending money they don't have, these messages go through a few trusted banks that keep a record of everything. They know how much money everyone has and account properly for every transaction. But this becomes expensive when there are millions of transactions around the world every minute. In 2018, economists estimated that banks charges more than $1.9 trillion to process payments. That is about 2% of the world's economy. With blockchain, we can save a lot of this cost because it lets us send money like sending an email. Instead of a few servers, blockchain uses thousands of personal computers on the internet to send payment information. All transactions are copied and cross-checked between every computer in the system-wide accounting book called the ledger, which becomes very safe at scale. Blockchain doesn't just allow us to create safe money online. It allows us to protect any piece of digital information. This could be online identity cards, contracts, legal instruments, and many other things.